So what you're looking at right now is the larger version, the bigger box of the 3015, and behind me is the compact version, but they both have the same bed size. That's what's cool about this. You're looking at the exact same bed size. You're looking at 5x10 sheets, but if you're tight on space, you've got the perfect scenario for this machine right here, and you're not sacrificing anything. You can't go higher than 12 kilowatts on this machine, but you can go up to 12 kilowatts and higher, like a 20 kilowatt on the larger frame. It's based on the weight of the sheets. But this gives you an idea of the two machines and the footprint that's required when you're a smaller shop and you don't need to waste space at all. You've got this extra width here, right here, that you don't have here. That's all space that you're saving.